What's going on, everyone? This is Drew Vidrew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 BMW M340i. This vehicle is powered by a 3-liter BMW twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder with 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So the M340i is a very popular sports sedan in the car enthusiast community. If this is the option you get, if you are, if you want a more affordable BMW M performance vehicle, because an M3 costs a lot more than this. So if you don't really have the budget for an M3, you can get an M340i. Very fun to drive. This one has a black interior. You have the Harman Kardon sound. Here's your trim in here. It's like the silver trim. You have iDrive 8 in this 2023 model. Backup camera, full digital gauge cluster, of course, and a head-up display, which is always a nice thing to have. You also have a heated steering wheel with heated seats. But let's walk around this M340i, see what it looks like. This one definitely has like an aftermarket exhaust. This is not stock. I'm not sure what was done to this exhaust, but it sounds great. You have a blue exterior on this one. I believe this is Portimao blue. Black wheels. Looks great. You also have carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber front lip on this one. Obviously that's not stock. This one has the BMW anniversary roundel logo. I like the grille on it as well. Good looking car. Here are the rear seats. You have your AC controls back there. You also have a black diffuser on these, and you have their exhaust tips, black exhaust tips. Looks like it does not have power trunk. The power trunk comes with the executive package. But let's take it out on the road now. I haven't driven an M340i in a while, so it should be fun. Steering is really heavy in these. It feels great. Like it's very, very nice and heavy feel to it, and very sharp steering in the M340i. BMW knows how to get steering right, and they definitely do in this car, that's for sure. It's actually some of the stiffest steering I've felt in many modern vehicles. For whatever reason, this steering in this M340i feels heavier than it does in my G80. Very fast, as you can see. It does 0 to 60 in the low 4-second range. These are really, really quick. Very fun. These do come available with X-Drive. This one's a rear-wheel drive, so the car did get a little bit sideways under that hard acceleration. Very, very fast. That's awesome. And this one just sounds so good too. And I love the burbles from the exhaust. Look at that little detail. That's so cool. Whenever I hit the brake lights, the brakes actually like show up on that. That's so cool. I love that. Man, this thing is very fast. It's like effortless power. It's so fun. It's so fun. Now, literally for fun power, you don't even need to get a G80. It's just so fast. yeah, like for reference, for those of you who are new to the channel, my G80 is a manual, it's not an automatic. What I mean is, like, this is not too far off in terms of speed from a G80 comp automatic. This feels so fast on its own. It's quite impressive. Feels great to drive. The one thing with the M340s is the M Light vehicles, so to speak. The seats are not very comfortable with the Sensitech leather. Like the merino leather is way more comfortable in full M cars. Well, that's a downside to me on these M Light vehicles. The seats are just not comfortable at all for me. Like the seats in my M3 are way more comfortable than this. It's not even close because it's actually merino leather and not synthetic leather. This thing gets sideways quick. I'm gonna put it in the comfort mode, see how that feels. So whenever you change your drive modes, it'll like change the color of the gauge cluster and show you in the center screen which mode you're in, which is nice. You also have Eco Pro drive setting. Or you could drive in the regular Sport and not Sport Plus, which maybe that's what I'll do instead. But overall, very fun 2023 BMW M340i right here. Absolute blast to drive, as all M340s are. But thanks for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of performance BMWs.